Hello guys, welcome back to our latest video where it showcases the best of shoes racks design ideas to organize and elevate your home. From the modern and minimalist to your rustic and industrial, we got you covered, and with the 10 creative and designs to inspire your next dye project and home decor upgrade. Whether you are looking to maximize storage and add the stylish to touch of your entryway to simply keep your shoes organized, this the video to from the show. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take your shoes game the next level. Remember, you make your this video attention to design ideas and informative to friendly, attractive viewer. Increase your home decorations to get ready to transform your entryway, hallway, or the closet with this style and functional shoes rack design. And a closet with the stylish and functional shoes racks space, the saving the elaborate and the statement making and the curated and collection of the shoes rack ideas suit every style and budget. Whether you are dye aesthetics to home decor enthusiast and simply looking from the practical solution to your shoes storage and needs, this video and has got you covered and discover the latest trend and ideas to shoes rack design and modern minimalist to rustic and industrial. You can learn how to create your own custom shoes rack and using the reclaimed wood plates and over the other material. Get inspirations from the next home decor project and learn how to incorporate a shoes rack into your existing decor. Find out how to maximize your storage space and keep your shoes organized and within the reach. Explore different materials and shapes and size. Find the perfect shoes rack for your home. You can mix and match these ideas to create a compelling, informative video showcasing the. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos update. Don't forget dislike and subscribe.